Brandon Vincent here with eXp Realty. Today we're in the beautiful central Quispamsis. Behind me, we have an amazing house, 43 Concord Crescent, which sits on an immaculate corner lot here in this very well-established family neighborhood. This home here was built in 2002, and it's a Blanchard build with 4 bedrooms, 3 up, 1 down, and 2.5 bathrooms. This property is also close to so many amenities, restaurants, markets, bakeries, the gym, the highway. You're in the center of it all. And this property is amazing because you have the paved driveway, you have a double car attached garage. There's so many things I'm excited to show you. Let's go check it out. Stepping in to the oversized mudroom that greets you as you come into this house, you'll notice it's attached to the double car attached garage, as well as having access to a half bathroom, which is also your laundry room on the main level, which is a very key feature to this home. Let's go check out the rest of the house. Stepping into this open concept eat-in kitchen that has immaculate wood floors, your beautiful original oak cabinets, and all this natural light coming in here as well, which connects us to the extremely cozy living room. Stepping into the living room from your eat-in kitchen, the first things you're gonna notice here is the beautiful vaulted ceilings, which boasts all kinds of natural light in this room, as well as the propane fireplace for those cold winter nights. That also has a connection outside on the deck behind me for your barbecue in the summer, which has you covered all year round. Now, let's go check out the bedrooms. Stepping into your first room, which has currently been converted into an amazing dining room with a built-in china cabinet. Now this can easily be converted back into a bedroom. Let's go check out the other rooms. Stepping into room number 2, which is an excellent opportunity for a guest bedroom. Now, let's go check out the primary bedroom. Stepping into your spacious primary bedroom with double closets with built-in shelving, all kinds of natural light in here, which is also connected to your shared ensuite bathroom. Stepping into your shared ensuite bathroom with your stand-up shower, all kinds of cabinet space for your toiletries, and this incredible jet tub to relax in the evenings. What more could you ask for? Down here in the basement, where there's another full bathroom, all kinds of storage room, behind me is a massive games room and a hidden gem down here, the 4th bedroom. Let's go check it out. Coming into the 4th bedroom, which I personally believe has all kinds of opportunity to be your own in-house office with the built-in desk and cabinetry. This room has all kinds of natural light for being a basement bedroom. And now let's go check out the games room. Down here in the basement, in this oversized family room, which I think could also be used as a games room, even an exercise room, extra family living space. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this tour here at 43 Concord Crescent. Make sure that you get into this listing while it's still available, because I don't think it's gonna last long. Have a great day.